The Asian Stub-tail. The Asian stub-tail is a small, inconspicuous bird native to East Asia, recognized for its distinctive short tail and cryptic plumage. This species measures approximately 9.5 to 10.5 centimeters in length and weighs around 8 to 10 grams. Males and females exhibit similar coloration, featuring small, plump or full-bellied, with fine pointed bill, long buffish-white supercilium and broad blackish eye stripe. Their face finely barred and flecked with brown, uniform dark rufescent-brown above, scaled slightly darker crown and whitish below, washed buffish-brown on breast side. Flanks, vent and undertail-coverts are iris dark, pale pink or flesh pink legs. Sexes alike. Juvenile is very like adult, but generally more heavily tinged rufous on upper parts and duller brown on sides of underparts. They inhabit temperate forests, favoring the undergrowth of evergreen broadleaf and lowland coniferous forests. During the breeding season, it is found in northeastern Asia, including Manchuria, Japan, and Korea. In winter, it migrates to southern China and northern Southeast Asia, such as Taiwan. Behaviorally, the Asian stub-tail is elusive and often difficult to observe due to its cryptic coloration and preference for dense undergrowth. Regarding conservation status, the Asian stub-tail is classified as a species of least concern by the IUCN, indicating that it does not face immediate threats to its population. Thank you for watching. For more video, please feel free to like and subscribe.